hit something. Wow. Front wheel slides. Whew. Definitely some suspension tuning to do. Doesn't feel very balanced. Unemployment line's a little, if I can see in the videos, looks awesome, but a little jumpy for me. All right, let's see what up here looks like. Oh, this is the, well, it's like, that's the main feature of this log jump. Coming from 10-year-old 26er to a 29er with probably some of the most radical geometry around. Doesn't change the fact that I suck, but makes the suckage a lot more fun. It's kind of amazing having a bike that fits you. Oh, that's a huge center. Not doing that. I'm not used to cleaning how to clean camera sensors. It really wants you to weight the front wheel, which is kind of awesome, but I'm not used to it. It's kind of scary to do that. You're not used to it. Oh. Felt pretty good. Oh. That was nice, that didn't bottom out. What do we got here? Roll. feeling good. Oh, that was not good. Hopefully I didn't just pop my rear tire. I don't have a tube on me. And they're not so tubeless yet. Wow, that was awesome. Next up, atomic duck. Let's drop into atomic duck. Wow, I don't die. Oh, is that good? And the brake hose is going to the spokes. Oh. Just happy the tire isn't touching the crown and the bottom out. That was not a given. Although I don't think the bottom got out the bottom out control is doing its thing. I think I have it wound in pretty tight. More firm. This feels rad. Well, it looks pretty pathetic. This is like some best riding ever. Hit that. Just gonna case it. Oh, hand pump. Oh. Oh, that wasn't good. And that was worse. Continue on this awesome trail. Oh wow, that was good. Wow, if you were good, I could see how awesome that would be. And into some kick. My shoes are not grippy enough. That's another thing. The pole, that's crazy. Look at that thing. That felt a little funny. I don't know if I touched the ground. Oh, sick. Oh, that was cool. Oh, this is cool. Makes just the fire really interesting. heavy on the front, which is no problem having. I ran too front heavy all the time.